Good morning or afternoon, boys and girls. Today you are going to take your Wordly Wise Lesson 6 test. Make sure that you have your name up here at the top of the paper and your teacher's name or the date on the side. We're going to start by reading the directions. Find a synonym for each bold word, then fill in the circle next to your answer. All right, we're going to start with number 1. The alarm roused Mr. Ramirez at 6 o'clock a.m. Is a synonym for roused A, woke, B, entertained, or D, surprised? Number 2. Don't meddle in other people's business, my grandmother said. Is a synonym for meddle A, help, C, listen, or D, interfere? And remember, as we go along with this test, if you ever need to pause because I'm going too fast, just pause the test and come back to your spot. Question number 3. The dog gave a yelp of agony. What's a synonym for agony? Is it A, welcome, B, delight, or C, pain? Question number 4. We braced ourselves for the grim news. A synonym for grim is that A, joyous, B, disturbing, or C, foolhardy? Question number 5. The steadfast soldier stayed on watch throughout the night. A synonym for steadfast is that A, sleepy, B, loyal, C, hungry? Question number 6. I used to loathe lima beans. What's a word that means the same as loathe? Is that A, love, B, cultivate, or C, hate? Number 7. The Underground Railroad helped harbor slaves escaping from the South. What's another word for harbor? Is that A, shelter, B, pursue, or C, capture? Question number 8. The pony seemed monstrous next to the child. Another word for monstrous is that B, unreal, C, ugly, or D, huge? Number 9. College costs are escalating. Is another word for escalating A, dropping, B, rising, or C, low? Number 10. We learned the Chinese character for man. Is that A, person, B, actor, or D, symbol? The directions for the next section are to choose the best way to complete each sentence or answer each question. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Number 11. Cities with harbors are located A, along the coast, B, near the capital, or C, near major industrial centers. Where are cities with harbors located? Number 12. A monstrous idea would probably cause A, excitement, B, applause, or C, shock. Which would a monstrous idea probably cause? Number 13. Who might wear a grim expression? B. A child watching a clown. C. A child who has walked into a surprise party. Or D. A parent discussing a poor report card. Who might wear a grim expression? All right, number 14. When someone is most likely to denounce a friend. Would you denounce a friend A, when the friend has just walked into the room? C, when the friend has secretly played a mean trick? Or D, when the friend wins an award? Number 15. The dancer was catapulted into fame. This means that she A, became famous almost overnight, B, gradually became famous, or D, was soon forgotten. Number 16. Which of the following can illustrate someone's character? B, making shy people feel welcome. C, having a portrait painted. Or D, getting a new haircut. Which of the following can illustrate someone's character? Number 17. Changes in the environment can sometimes inflict widespread suffering. What does inflict mean in this sentence? Does it mean A, relieve, C, cause, or D, avoid? Number 18. A meddlesome person is most likely to B, make other people feel gloomy. C, do things that shock others. D, involve himself in someone else's affairs. Which would a meddlesome person do? 19. Because of her loathing of pollution, Pia started an environmental club at school. We can tell that A, Pia does not care very much about the environment. B, Pia hates when people pollute. Or D, Pia does not believe that there is anything we can do about pollution. Number 20. What might someone wish to abolish? A, community service. B, a beautiful silver vase. Or C, drunken driving. What might someone wish to abolish? Number 21. Which of the following is most like a catapult? A baseball, B, a football helmet, or C, a slingshot? Number 22. What are some voters most likely to denounce? Is it A, the opening of a new library? C, a public service award to a local organization? Or D, a plan to raise local sales taxes? What are some voters most likely to denounce? And number 23. Which of the following might someone secretly harbor? A, a strong desire for travel. C, an ear infection. Or D, a birthday cake. Question 24. A story character is A, a person in the story. C, a review of a story. Or D, where the story takes place. Question 25. The wait for the jury's decision was agonizing. The wait was A, extremely short, B, rather pleasant, or C, very painful. Question 26. The 14th through the 16th centuries were grim years for Western Europe. During this time, there were A, many new discoveries, B, no significant occurrences, or D, cruel and unpleasant events. Question 27. The performer roused the unhappy crowd as they A, continued to feel sad, B, felt excited, D, had to go home. Question 28. Someone who translates Swahili poems, B, teaches Swahili poems in school, C, rewrites Swahili poems in another language, or D, does not enjoy poetry. This is the end of the test. Please review your test questions and make sure you did not leave any blank.